So, it's this super cool mug that's compatible with other major building block brands. I received it free to try, but I'm very impressed. The mug itself can hold up to 16 ounces of your favorite beverage, hot or cold. But here's the kicker. It comes with a bunch of building blocks that you can stick right onto the mug itself. It's like a mug and a toy all in one. Kids will absolutely love using their imagination to build all sorts of cool designs and creations on their mug while they sip their milk or juice. And let's be real, adults can get on the fun too. It's a great way to spark your creativity during those boring office meetings. The mug comes in a bunch of different colors, so you can pick your favorite or get one for the whole family. And it makes an awesome gift for birthdays, Christmas, or any other occasion. This mug is packaged in a colorful gift box, so it's really ready to go. Pretty cool, right?